Hello and welcome to the revolution. In this video we are relining from a bath down to a floor waste. This is an old galvanized 40mm pipe and it's actually rusted almost all the way through, and in some sections it's starting to leak into the apartment below. You can see how bad the corrosion is. In order to remove this rust, we need to send through what's called a chain flayer, and that will chip away all of this corrosion and have the pipe ready for pipe relining. In the video coming up, you'll see a huge difference to the pipe surface. You can see it's much smoother and ready to be relined. We've now installed a sectional patch repair from the bath down to the floor waste. We're curing it with hot steam. This process takes about 1 hour. As you can see, we're using a thermal gun. This is to check our temperatures to make sure they remain consistent, and so we know exactly when the patch is cured. And now it's time for the end result. Unfortunately, our color camera had to go to another job, so the end shot is in black and white. However, you can see it's completely relined and will no longer leak. Just here we're dropping into the floor waste and job done. You can see here we've relined all the way into the floor waste, ensuring it's sealed the entire way. If you liked our video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.